Very
Okay. Last part is oxidation and reduction. First one, oxidation. Uh, the chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loses hydrogen to form product is called as a oxidation. A chemical reaction in which a reactant combines oxygen or to form product is oxidation. In short, and oxidation
मॅम तुमचा आवाज
hydro
नाही.
आता येतोय.
हा आता
मला आज माझे इंटरनेटचे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. आज मला प्रॉब्लेम. Oxidation means, should keep in your mind, oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen and loss of electron. Okay, oxidation means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and last one is loss of electron. This is oxidation. So तीनों में से एक भी either oxygen So in this first example, in reactant, magnesium and oxygen are there. In product, MgO, magnesium oxide are formed. Means here, addition of oxygen take place. That's why the reaction is oxidation. Next reaction, CH3 single bond CH3. In reactant, in product, it is CH2 double bond CH2. What is the change between these two? Reactant and product में difference क्या है? What is the difference between these two?
hydrogen come
Yes. In product, 2 hydrogens are less than reactant. Reactant में 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen है. Product में 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens है. Means number of hydrogen are less. So it is nothing but removal of hydrogen. Again, removal of hydrogen means oxidation. Get it? Next one. Next example. C plus O2 gives CO2. In the reactant, C and O2 are separated. In product, there is a formation of CO2. Means combination of carbon and oxygen take place. So it is again addition of oxygen. It is oxidation. Next reaction, MgH2 gives Mg plus H2. क्या change है reactant and product में? What is the change between reactant and product?
मॅम H2
क्या H2 बेटा?
MgH2 एकत्र होता आणि इकडे आणि H2 होता H2 होता इकडे Mg आणि प्लस H2.
Yes.
H2
In reactant, yes. In reactant, hydrogen combine with magnesium. In reactant, hydrogen combine with magnesium. In product, it is separated from magnesium. Means in between the reactant and product, change क्या हुआ है? There is a removal of hydrogen take place. In product, there is a removal of hydrogen. So removal of hydrogen is again oxidation. Get it? Next reaction. CH3CH2OH gives CH3COOH. Steve, are you there?
Yeah.
What is the difference between reactant and product in last example?
CH3. Removal of H and removal of hydrogen.
Removal of hydrogen और उसके साथ कुछ और हो रहा है.
OH उसके साथ combine हो रहा है.
OH नहीं, O addition of oxygen take place.
हाँ, addition of oxygen.
In between the reactant and product, the change is in reactant there are 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is there. Okay, but in product only 4 hydrogens, 4 है ना, CH3COOH total combine करो, there are 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygen are there. Means the difference is in reactant 6 hydrogen, in product 2 hydrogen. In reactant 1 oxygen, in product 2 oxygen. Means here both the reaction are take place, addition of oxygen as well as removal of hydrogen. That's why again this reaction is oxidation. So addition of oxygen, oxidation, removal of hydrogen, oxidation, as well as loss of electron in oxidation. Up to this clear all of you? Next one, reduction. So this reduction is the opposite reaction of oxidation. Opposite मतलब oxidation में क्या हुआ था? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Reduction में exact opposite होता है. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. In reduction, there is a addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. It is called as a reduction. The reaction in which reactant loses oxygen to form a product called as a reduction. So in short, just keep in your mind addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen and gain of electron. Oxidation में था loss of electron, reduction में है gain of electron. Just reverse. जो उसमें था उसके exact opposite देखना है. Now see the example. Fe2O3 gives FeO. Bhagyalakshmi, tell me the difference between the reactant and product.
मैम
Fe2O3
इसमें
gives FeO.
ऑक्सीजन रिड्यूस हुआ है.
No,
हाइड्रो
first of all, tell me what is the number of oxygen.
3 in reactant and in product is 1.
In reactant, there are 3 oxygen and in product, there is only 1 oxygen. Means what happened here? Here, removal of oxygen take place. Yes or no? Reactant में से oxygen remove हो रहा है. अगर reactant में से oxygen remove हो रहा है, so that reaction is reduction definitely. Okay? अगर reactant में oxygen add होता, मतलब O3 था उसके जगह पे अगर product में O5 या O4 होता, means oxygen add होता. अगर reactant में oxygen add होता, so उसको हम oxidation बोलते हैं. But this is the reduction. Next, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. अभी यहाँ पे दो रिएक्टेंट है, दो प्रोडक्ट है. यस और नो? Cu plus H2, CuO plus H2, two reactant. Cu plus H2O, two products. दो रिएक्टेंट, दो प्रोडक्ट. सो अभी आप इंडिविजुअल रिएक्टेंट पे फोकस करो. इंडिविजुअल रिएक्टेंट CuO is convert into Cu. See, CuO convert into Cu and H2 convert into H2O. Now tell me what is the difference between these two? CuO and Cu में क्या difference है? Loss of oxygen. Yes or no? CuO ने oxygen lose किया and it convert into Cu. And H2 convert into H2O में क्या difference है? H2 ने oxygen gain किया. Yes or no? According to that, CuO undergoes loss of oxygen and H2 undergoes gain of oxygen. See, आप सिर्फ इसके आप सिर्फ इस पे फोकस करो. CuO and H2. CuO convert into Cu means CuO lose oxygen and H2 gain oxygen, so convert into H2O. So यहाँ पे oxidation and reduction दोनों भी हो रहा है ये केस में. So tell me which compound undergoes oxidation and which one undergoes reduction? कौन बताएगा आंसर? बोल.
CuO में रिडक्शन हुआ है और H2 में ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है.
Cu में रिडक्शन हुआ है. चार्जिंग. Cu में रिडक्शन हुआ है. सॉरी, CuO में रिडक्शन हुआ है. CuO convert into Cu, so it is undergoes loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen means reduction. And H2 ने H2O फॉर्म किया, मतलब H2 ने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया, so gain of oxygen means oxidation. So CuO undergoes reduction and H2 undergoes oxidation. See, always आपको फोकस रिएक्टेंट पे करना है. रिएक्टेंट always undergoes reduction or oxidation. Okay, so reactant का कन्वर्जन जो प्रोडक्ट में हुआ है, so वो क्या फॉर्म हुआ है, वो हिसाब से आप रिएक्टेंट में ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है या रिडक्शन हुआ है, ये चेंज आप बता. Just a minute. आवाज आ रही है मेरी?